Hello, I want to share another video with you guys. Here is a DIY repair on a stuck rusted pipe. I was replacing the sinks in my bathroom and I had this problem where I couldn't remove the nut connecting the two pipes. I tried a plumbing wrench, heat, penetrating oil, and none of that was working. So apparently this should have been installed in front of the cabinetry anyway and not behind, but that seems to be the story of my house. So I did a lot of research on Google trying to figure out what I could do to join these pipes. I ended up cutting the pipe, most of the rusted pipe, with a jigsaw with a metal cutting blade rather. And I ended up finding on Google that I could use a coupling or a tube connector. And this cost me about $4 and change. It was less than $5. I think I got it at Home Depot. I placed the coupling between the old pipe and the new pipe, and I tightened it. And then once I finished that, I pulled it to check for connectivity. And then I tested it using slow running water first. And then I turned on the water to full speed and I let it run for several minutes just to test for any leak. I did this particular fix several months ago, so this has probably been installed now for about 3 to 4 months or so, and there's been no problem at all. Of course, make sure when you're doing any type of repair like this, obviously in a situation like this, your water should be off already, but if not, prior to starting, make sure your water is turned off. And then I also had a bucket right beneath to catch any leak once it was turned back on. So I hope this really helps someone out that may have a problem like this, because I tell you, this was really hard to find anything like this online. But again, I hope this helps you to save from maybe some hefty plumbing costs. Have a great day and thanks for watching.